A very great morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3A from the chapter name is square and square root. In previous video we have discussed about square, perfect square number and the properties based on perfect square number. So let's quickly start our exercise. Yes, the question number 1 is using the prime factorization method, find 576 is a perfect square or not. There is one method, name is prime factorization method. It means that we have to write all prime factors into the formation of product, like 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. And second one is, there is one word that is perfect square. What do you mean by perfect square or the perfect square number? Perfect square numbers are expressible as the product of equal primes, equal factors. Yes, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स आर, जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स होते हैं हमारे, ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेसिबल. हम उन्हें कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इक्वल फैक्टर्स. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेयर ऑफ इक्वल फैक्टर्स? देयर इज वन वर्ड दैट इज पेयर. Pair like 2 2, 3 3, 4 4 and so on. Perfect square numbers are expressible as the product of pairs of equal factors. Pair means the numbers which having the equal factor, like 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4. There are 3 pairs of number and all the 3 pairs having the equal factors, like 2 have a equal factor as like 2, 3 3 and 4 4. So coming on our question, that is by using the prime factorization method, find 576 is a perfect square or not. So firstly we will take the prime factorization of 576. The prime factorization of 576 is 2 multiply 6 times 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. According to the definition of the perfect square numbers having the pairs of equal factors. Now we will make the pair of the equal factors. How many pairs we have? There are the 4 pairs with the equal factors. Equal factors like 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 and the 3 multiply 3. Now take out one number from each factor and multiply all the factors. It will be equals to 24. So 576 is a perfect square number of 24 square. तो हमारा जो 576 है, that is the perfect square number of 24 square. Now coming on the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, by what least number (1331) should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Yes, according to this statement, there is one word least number. We have to find out the least number that should be multiplied by 1331 to get a perfect square number. 1331 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए कि वो एक क्या बन जाए, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाए. Again applying the prime factorization method. Firstly, we will take the prime factorization of 1331. That is divisible by 11 on 121. And the all prime factors of 1331 are 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. There are three pairs of the factor. There are the three prime factors 11, 11, 11, and we can express as 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. Now we will make the pair. There is one pair of the 11. One pair of 11 with equal factors. With equal factor means both the numbers are 11. And there is one remaining number, that is 11 without pairing. आपको एक 11 का पेयर दिख रहा है and 111 is without in the pair. वो without pair से है. So find out the least number that should be multiplied 1331 to make it a perfect square number. So there is a one number 11 without the pairing. So 11 be the least number that should be multiplied by multiply by 1331 to make it a perfect square. So we will multiply 1331 by 11 and we get 11 1 the 11, 11 3 the 33, 1 carry 4, 11 3 the 33 and 3 is 36, 11 1 the 11 and 3 is 14. So the required number is 14,641 and 14,641 is a perfect square of 121 square. Now the next question is question number 4, same as like the question number 3. But in this question, at the place of the multiplication, we have division. According to the statement, by what least number 1331 should be divided to get a perfect square number. 1331 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करवाया जाए कि वो क्या बन जाए, एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाए. So your first step is you will take the prime factorization of 1331, that is 11 11 11, and we can express as 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. So again we have one pair of equal factors. And the remaining pair is without any factor, that is 11. Without any equal factor, that is 11. So the given least number is 11. 11 is the least number that should be divided by 1331 to get perfect square number. One 1331 is divided by 11, we get 121. And 121 is a perfect square of 11 square. I hope students you have understood these three questions and you will practice these three questions in your fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.